ఇంటర్మీడియట్ విద్యారంగంలో అగ్రగామి మన ఎన్ఎస్ఆర్ ఇంపల్స్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూషన్. ఐఐటి, జేఈఈ అయినా, నీట్ అయినా తిరుగులేని విద్యా సంస్థ ఎన్ఎస్ఆర్ ఇంపల్స్.
Next question. A tangent at a point on the circle on the circle x square plus y square is equal to a square intersects a concentric circle S at P and Q. P and Q. The tangents to the circle, S at P and Q meet on the circle x square plus y square is equal to b square. X square plus y square is equal to b square. Then the equation of circle S is first option a tangent at a point on the circle x square plus y square equal to a square intersects a concentric circle S at P and Q. The tangents to the circle S at P and Q meet on the circle x square plus y square equal to b square. So this is the circle S equal to, this is circle x square plus y square is equal to a square. A tangent at any point on the circle meets a concentric circle S. So this is S at the points P and Q. Tangents at P and Q intersect on the circle. So this is the circle. Intersect on the circle x square plus y square equal to b square. The circle is x square equal to b square. Let S, this is S. The circle is S. Let it be S is x square plus y square equal to k. That is concentric circle. X square plus y square equal to k. Now this is the point on the circle, intersect on the circle. So the parametric coordinates of the circle, parametric coordinates are a plus r cos theta, b plus r sin theta, where a comma b center of circle is 0 comma 0, radius is b. So this is b cos theta comma b sin theta, b cos theta comma b sin theta. Now this is the chord of contact for this circle S equal to 0. For the circle S, this PQ is the chord of contact of the point. This is R. With respect to the circle S equal to 0. Equation of chord of contact, that is PQ, with respect to S equal to 0 is S1 equal to 0, where S is, this is the circle. So, this is x1 b cos theta plus y into b sin theta minus k is equal to 0. Equal to 0. Now, this PQ is a tangent to the circle. Tangent to the circle. So, condition for tangent is r equal to d. Now, this 1 y theta b sin theta. So, this is r. Now, equation of chord of contact of the point r, b cos theta comma b sin theta with respect to s equal 0 is s1 equal 0. x1 plus y1 minus k equal to 0. Since this is the line PQ equation, 1 PQ is a tangent to the circle. PQ is a tangent to the circle x square plus y square equal to a square. So, the condition for tangent is r is equal to d, where r is radius, that is a. D is perpendicular distance from center 0, 0 to the tangent. This is 1. So, perpendicular distance formula, that is from origin c by root of a square plus b square, that is c is k or minus k mod of, that is k by root of a square. A square is b square cos square theta plus b square sin square theta. B square is taken common, cos square theta plus sin square theta. The root of b square is b. So, k equal to ab. Therefore, equation of circle is x square plus y square equal to ab. So, first option is correct. Next one, the locus of center of a circle of a radius 3 which rolls on the outside of the circle x square plus y square plus 3x minus 6y minus 9 equal to 0 is first option, x square plus y square plus 3x minus 6y minus 45 equal to 0 minus 40 is equal to 0 minus 55 is equal to 0 minus 60 equal to 0. Locus of center of circle of radius 3 which rolls on the outside of the circle. That means rolls means what? On the outside which touches the circle. So, this is center of circle is minus z comma minus f, that is minus 3 by 2 comma 3. a radius equal to root of g square plus f square minus c, that is plus 9. Root of this is 9 plus 36 plus 36, 72 by 4, that is root of 81 by 4, that is 9 by 2. Radius is 9 by 2. Locus of center of circle of radius 3 which rolls on the outside of the circle. So this is the circle. The circle rolls, that means what? So this is the circle. The circle rolls like this. That means what? This is the center of circle. So this rolls like this. So this is the circle. This is the circle which rolls on the outside of the circle. Which rolls on the, these are the outside of the circle. That means what? The center moves like this. So this is the locus. The locus is a concentric circle of radius. This is 3 and this is 9 by 2. For center is center minus 3 by 2 comma minus 3 by 2 comma 3. Locus is the locus. So this is the locus. Is also a circle. Is also a concentric circle of radius 3 plus 9 by 2. So locus is a concentric circle of radius 9 by 2 plus 3, that equal to 15 by 2. So equation of circle x minus a whole square x plus 3 by 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square equal to r square 225 by 4. So by expanding this you get the answer, that is we get the first option. Next problem. If one of the diameters of the circle x square plus y square minus 2x minus 6y plus 6 equal to 0 is a chord of the circle, with the center 2 comma 1, then the radius of the circle is 2 3 4 1. One of the chord of the circle if one of the diameter of the circle is the chord of the circle with the center 2 comma 1. One of the diameters of the circle. So for the circle center of circle is 1 comma minus z comma minus f, that is a radius equal to root of g square plus f square minus c, that is 2. So this is here. Center of circle C is 1 comma 1 comma 3, and this is the radius. Radius is 2. One of the diameters of the circle is a chord of the circle. Chord of the circle with the center 2 comma 2 comma 1. So this is the circle. So this is for the circle, this is the chord. Center of the circle is here. Center of the circle is 2 comma 2 comma 1. Then we have to find the radius. So this is C, let it be, this is C1, center. This is A, and call this is B. So here this is C1C is equal to distance between the points. Distance is root of x2 minus x1 whole square 1 plus, that is 4. This is equal to root 5. So this is root 5. And this is the radius of this circle. This is 2. So AC square is equal to, AC square means what? R square. That is the radius of the required circle, equal to AC1 square, not AC square, AC1 square equal to. So this is AC square plus CC1 square. AC square is 4 plus this is 5, that equal to 9. Therefore R is equal to 3. R is 3. One of the diameters of the circle is the chord of this circle. Chord of the circle with the center 2 comma 1. Then we have to calculate the radius R. This is the 1 comma 3 is the center of the circle, and this radius is 2. Radius is 2. So this AB becomes the chord of this circle. Chord of the circle. Center of circle is 2 comma 1. 2 comma, distance between these two is, distance is root 5. This is 2. So from this A C1 square means R square equal to 4 plus 5. That is 9. So R equal to 3. Next problem. Let L1 be the straight line. Let L1 be the straight line passing through origin. Passing through origin. And L2 be the straight line. L2 be the straight line. X plus y minus 1 is equal to 0. If the intercepts made by the circle x square plus y square minus x plus 3y equal to 0 on L1 and L2 are equal, then the equation of L1 is, x minus 7y equal to 0, x minus y equal to 0, x plus y equal to 0. These are the options. L1 is a straight line which passes through origin, and L2 is x plus y minus 1 equal to 0. What is given? The intercepts made by the circle on L1 and L2 are equal. That means length of the intercept made by the two circles are equal. Then the equation of line L1 is, that is the question. Length of the intercept is what? I think all of you know. 2 into root of r square minus d square, length of the intercept. Let L1 is y is equal to mx, because the line is passing through origin, that is mx minus y equal to 0. Now there are two problems. First one is find the length of the intercept made by the circle on this line. That is one question. And the length of the intercept made by the circle on this line, this is the second question. So these two are equal, you get the value of m. So this is the first one. This is mx minus y equal to 0. For this center of circle, minus z comma minus f, 1 by 2 comma minus 3 by 2. And radius equal to root of g square 1 by 4 plus 9 by 4. That equal to, this is 10 by 4. That equal to root of 5 by 2. Root of 5 by 2. So length of the chord, center of circle is 1 by 2 comma minus 3 by 2. Length of the chord. Length of chord is equal to 2 into root of r square minus d square, where d equal to perpendicular distance from 1 by 2 comma minus 3 by 2 to the line mx minus y equal to 0. That equal to mod of ax1 m by 2. Next to minus of minus, plus 3 by 2 by root of m square plus 1. Root of m square plus 1. So this is equal to mod of m plus 3 by 2 into root of m square plus 1. M square plus 1. That is equal to 2 times of root of r square. R square is, this is here. R is equal to 5 by root of r square, 5 by 2 minus d square. D square is this m plus 3 whole square by 4 into m square plus 1. 4 into m square plus 1. And second part is, second one, length of chord is also 2 root r square minus d square, where d is, in this case, d is perpendicular distance from center 1 by 2 comma minus 3 by 2 to the line x plus y minus 1 equal to 0. That equal to mod of ax1 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2 minus 1 by root 2. So this equal to 1 minus 3 by this is 2 root 2. 2 root 2. 1 minus 3 minus 2. So this is mod of this is minus 4, that is 4 by 2 root 2. So this is gets cancelled, that is root 2. Root 2. So length equal to 2 root r square 5 by 2 minus d square, that is 2. That is 2. Therefore that is equal to 2 into root of, so 1 by 2. Given lengths are equal, lengths are equal, that is 2 into root of 5 by 2 minus of m plus 1 whole square by 4 into m square plus 1 is equal to 2 into root of 1 by 2. So these gets cancelled, squaring on both sides. So this is 5 by 2 minus of m plus 1 whole square by 4 into m square plus 1 is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, this is 5 by 2 minus 1 by 2 is equal to m plus 1 whole square by 4 into m square plus 1. So, this 4 by 2, that is 2 is equal to m plus 1 whole square by 4 into m square plus 1. So, cross multiplication, this is 8 m square plus 8 is equal to m square plus 2m plus 1. So, this is, here it is 7m square, 7m square minus 2m plus 7 is equal to 0. Sorry, this is not 1, this is 3. 3. Make it as 3. Now this is cross multiplication, 8 into 8m square plus 8 is equal to m square plus 6m plus 9. You take this side, 7m square minus 6m minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, that is 7m square minus 7m plus m minus 1 equal to 0. 7m common, m minus 1 plus 1 into m minus 1 equal to 0. So, this is m minus 1 into 7m plus 1 equal to 0. m is equal to 1 comma minus 1 by 7. m equal to 1 comma minus 1 by 7. So, if m is equal to 1, so equation y is equal to mx, that is y equal to x, implies x minus y is equal to 0. So, this is 1, x minus y equal to 0. If m is equal to minus 1 by 7. So, in the equation y equal to mx, y is equal to minus 1 by 7 into x, implies this is x plus 7y is equal to 0. m equal to 1, x minus y equal to 0, y equal to minus, so x plus y equal to 0. So, I think two options are correct. Next problem. The line x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p. The line x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p intersects the circle at A and B. If the chord AB makes an angle 30 degrees, at a point on the circumference of the circle. Then p square is equal to 2, 3, 5, 9. X cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to p. The chord makes an angle 30 degrees at the circumference of the circle. So this is A, B, this point is P. Makes an angle 30 degrees. Implies it makes an angle 60 degrees at the center. This is 60 degrees. The chord AB makes an angle at the circumference of the circle, theta. Then it makes an angle 2 theta. So here it is 30 degrees. This is 60 degrees. Now, this is 30 degrees. And the distance CM is equal to CM, where M is midpoint. CM equal to perpendicular distance from center 0, 0 to the chord x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p. That is p by root of cos square alpha plus sin square alpha, that equal to p. So the distance is p. Now from this triangle, so this is the radius is 2. From the triangle ACM, cos 30 is equal to this is cos 30, that is p by 2. Cos 30 root 3 by 2 is equal to p by 2. 2 to cancel, therefore p square equal to 3. P square equal to 3.